Welcome back to No Nonsense Reviews and How-Tos. Today I'm going to show you how to view and extract Raspberry Pi images. You're going to want to download this program, and you can find the link in the description below. Once you have it downloaded, you're going to want to install it, of course. So hit Next, Agree, install it wherever you want, click Install, and once that's done, just hit Finish. It'll bring up this window here. You're going to click on Drives, Mount Image, just leave everything the way it is, click Next, and find where your Raspberry Pi image is saved on your computer. In my case, it's in my D drive, my Downloads folder, and it's right in here. So I'm going to double click this, or just click it and click Open, and it brings up these three new locations. You're going to click on the Retro Pi one, so double click there. It'll open up this new window. I'm going to double click on Home, double click on Pi, then I'm going to double click on Retro Pi and go into my ROMs. So here are all the games that I want to extract. As you can see, there's games from a ton of different systems in here, and I want to get them out. Let's try extracting the Dreamcast games first. So I'm going to double click on the Dreamcast folder, and I'm going to close this. I don't need that. I'm going to select everything in here, and then I want to deselect the ones that aren't games. Once that's done, I'm going to right click, then hit Save, click on Next. I don't want the directory structure, and then I want to put it all these games in a folder, so I'm just going to create a new folder on my desktop called Games. Make sure I select it, then hit OK, click on Next. Here are all the files that are going to go into that folder, so I'm just going to click on Next again, and once you do that, it will extract. This will take a lot longer for you than it's showing here. I've sped this part up. It's done, so I'm going to click on Finish. And then I'm just going to check the games folder on my desktop to make sure that everything is in here. And sure enough, here they are, all the Dreamcast games extracted from the Raspberry Pi file. And that's it. So thanks for watching.